And those are babies. Boys, girls. Okay. Guys, there's so many things to choose. I really like the babies. Green unicorns. Let's keep going. What is this? Probably one of them.
I'm Queen Poppy. Let's go!
Slime smash? What's this? Like a donut? Make crunchy donut slime. 6 slimes and 5 glitter toppings.
Are you kidding me? I want to get that. I want to get it.
Alright, hold it up so we can see it.
So heavy.
You got the whole thing. There's 4 of them there. Just grab one.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna get the Poopsie slime smash, right? Alright, let's go. Come on, I'm gonna pay for it.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna be opening Poopsie Slime Mash. Poopsie Slime Mash.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Here's your donut delivery.
Thank you. Okay. Oh,
Whoa.
there's 2 papers. Thank you, delivery girl. Good. First, I'm gonna get the donut. Whoa. Just first, I want to get the scratches out.
Wow.
Let's get 2 more left. Why do they make this so hard? I think this one's the ultra and this one's the ultra. Ugh. Oh, here's the slime. Fun.
Remove the slime from the container.
I am.
Open the protective container and remove the grease-proof paper. That was tough. Grease-proof paper.
Grease, poof.
Poof. Grease-proof paper.
Grease,
Grease-proof
proof,
paper.
paper.
So you remove that,
Grease-proof.
remove the slime donut and place it on a tray or a surface.
I'm gonna place it on.
And then tear a corner on one of the slime frosting packets and add it to the donut. Whoa, so take off like, whoa. Take off the grease-proof paper.
After I open this donut.
Okay.
Okay. I'm adding the grease-proof paper.
Oh, perfect.
Oh my god, I've never had these before. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good.
All right, you gotta put them on all the donuts.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's so gross. Oh my god. Don't put slime down the drain, because it would clog your sink. Okay. Wait, these are the sprinkles?
Yep.
Oh. Oh my god, that's so gross. I just can't stand it.
It's not satisfying?
No, it's not satisfying.
Mhm.
Oh my god. Oh, ew. Hi guys, look. I like this kind of slime. After this, I think I gotta wash my hands and go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a donut.
Yum.
My favorite donut is probably vanilla. My favorite slush is pineapple. Okay, guys, we forgot to put this frosting on. Which donut should I put it on? This donut?
I put it on the pink one, yeah. Go ahead.
Just gotta put it on my finger. Just like spread it.
Whoa, it looks just like frosting.
Oh yeah. Is it real frosting?
No, don't
What
eat
is it?
this.
What is it?
It's pretend frosting.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's probably. I don't know what it is. Probably.
Maybe
like-
just dump it on top of it.
Wow. Looks like cacao.
Ew.
Looks like sour cream.
It does look like sour cream.
It's probably is. Okay, guys, I'm done putting the decorations on. Now we gotta be putting the sprinkles. I'm just gonna stop playing with this one. Okay, now just sprinkle it around.
Whoa. Save some from the other donuts.
Yeah. Ah. Should I put some the same on the other one?
Sure.
No,
Whatever
I
you
don't.
want. Whoa. Now it says that you're supposed to smash it up and
No.
mix it all together.
Oh.
Whoa! Ew. I think you're supposed to like mush them up.
All together.
That looks pretty.
That looks very cool. How about the other one?
This is easy.
Which one do you like better?
I like this one. Oh no. Okay.
Let me see your hands.
I give this Poopsie slime mash 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure to subscribe to Life with Lyla.